Hello everyone and welcome back dear students of class 4th in your computer YouTube classes. So in our last video we have covered some part of lesson number 5th and the name of lesson number 5th is Basics of MS PowerPoint. Okay. So here in this we have completed introduction, presentation. We have learned what is presentation and how to start MS PowerPoint 2007 screen elements, all that. Okay. So let me give you a quick revision. Okay. So what is MS PowerPoint? It is one of the software packages. Mainly it is why it is used. Its use is to uh, create the presentations. Okay. Then, what is presentation? It is a systematic display of information along with graphics, movies, sound, etc. Okay. Now I think you have remembered, you have revised, and then we have studied about how to start MS PowerPoint. Very simple steps were there. First of all, start all programs, Microsoft Office. Then finally, Microsoft Office PowerPoint you have to choose. Okay. Then nextly, screen elements. What are the screen elements? Title bar, quick access toolbar, ribbon, then office button, status bar, rulers, placeholder, slides. Okay, so these were the elements of the screen of MS PowerPoint 2007. Then nextly, how to create a new presentation. So there are different ways, that blank and recent, install templates, install themes, my templates, new from existing. Okay, so all these things were told to you. Then how to work in a slide. I told you it is very simple to work in a slide. First of all, click inside a placeholder to enter text. Okay, then simply type the text. After you finished typing the text, click outside the placeholder. Okay, so these were the simple steps. Now coming towards our next topic on page number 72, you can open your page number 72 and the topic is how to insert new slide. Okay, so here our today's first topic is how to insert new slides. So there are simple steps. You can open your page number 72. Okay, then first of all, click the home tab on the ribbon. Here is the ribbon. Okay, and here you have to choose the very first option, which is home tab. Then secondly, click new slide. As you can see here also, click new slide from slides group. A list appears. A list will appear. Okay, here we can see. Then choose the layout you want. Whatever you want, okay. Which pattern or layout you want, that you can choose. For example, the new slide is inserted. Similarly, many slides can be added in a presentation. Okay. So here these were the three simple steps. Now our second topic is how to insert text box. Okay, text box. As we want, if we want to write anything in our presentation, then how to insert for typing a text we need a box. So how to insert it? Okay, so there are also simple steps starting. So first of all, select the slide where you want to add a text. Okay, slide we have to select first of all. Then click the insert tab on the ribbon. Same. Then click text box from the text group. Then drag to draw a text box where you want to add text. Okay. Now type the text using the keyboard and click anywhere outside the text box. Why we have to click anywhere outside the text box? Because already we have completed what we want. Okay, now we don't want anything to write to do in the text box, so we have to click outside anywhere outside the text box. Okay, now here our next one is how to insert word art. Okay, now you can see students that in this chapter only steps are given. Okay, so you have to listen carefully, because all the procedure, all the steps or different insertions, inserting different things are same. Okay, only one or two steps are changed. So here You can learn them easily, and no need to learn, you just understand, okay, and you can write in your own language in the exam. So how to insert word art? Here also almost same steps are given, only some are. So first is, what is the first step? Click the insert tab on the ribbon. Insert tab, then click word art. From text group, a gallery appears with different word art styles. Here we can see, okay, and here styles are also given. Then select the style of your choice, okay. So step by step we have to think, okay, what we have to do the next. Then automatically it will be learned. Then select the style of your choice, okay. Suppose you want this one, so that you have to select. Then write your text in the text box and click outside it, okay, same as earlier. Now secondly, how to insert slide number. Okay, now you want to write more and more in different places separately, okay. So you want, by default 2 slides are given, okay, for title and subtitle. But if you want more number of slides, then you can do the same in the MS PowerPoint. So how you will do this? Number of slides. So first of all, click on the insert tab on the ribbon, okay. First of all, we have to click on the insert tab. Then click the slide number from the text group, okay. Text group it is given, and here you have to click the slide number. Now the header and footer dialog box appears. Click the slide number, check box, okay, here, and then finally click apply to all button, okay. And you see slide numbers inserted on the right corner of each slide, okay. Now how to delete a slide? If we don't need, or if something is went wrong, if we don't want that slide, then we have to, it is a need to delete the slide. So how to delete the slides, okay. So first step is same, select the slide you want to delete, okay. In all the cases we have to select the slide. If you want to do any editing or any changes in the slide, then we have to, certainly we have to select that slide. Then secondly, click the home tab, okay. Home tab is given here, you can see. Then click delete from the slide group, the slide gets deleted, okay. So here very simple it is, no need to by heart them, just try to understand and you will be learn yourself, okay. Then how to save a presentation? Very important thing it is. We have done all the work, we have completed. Then how to save? Okay, the main thing is to save. How to save? Now see, here are the simple steps to save the slides. So click the office button. Here office button is given. Then click the save option. The save as dialogs box appears. Here it is the dialog box. Then type the file name. Certainly we have to give the file name, okay, otherwise it will not be saved. Then click the save button. Here it is given, okay, and our file will be, or our presentation will be saved, okay. Now how to view a slideshow? How to view? Okay, so see, there are simple steps for this also. So when all slides of your presentation are created, okay, then you should view your presentation to make sure that all slides appear as you want or not, okay. So we have to see now. So this is called viewing a slideshow, okay. Have you understood? After completing our work in our copy, in our notebooks also, we generally see it, okay, whether it is correct or not. So the same thing we have to do in the slides also, that whether we have done our presentation, created our presentation in a correct way or not. So it is known as the slideshow. So the following are the steps to view a slideshow. Only 2 steps are there. So click the slideshow tab on the ribbon, okay. Here it is given, this is our first. Then click from beginning, from the start slideshow group, okay. We have to click from the beginning, okay, because all the things we have to see, okay. So from the beginning we have to click now, okay. That's all for this topic. Then how to close a presentation, okay, how to close the presentation. So Again, simple steps. Click office button here. In our earlier steps also, we have seen the office button. Then click close button from the list if the current file is unsaved. Then PowerPoint displays a dialog box. Okay, now one important thing is there. If you haven't saved the file before closing it, then one dialog box will be appeared, okay, displayed. Then you choose whether or not to save your file. Okay, that's up to you. If you want to save it, then you can, and if not, okay. If you want to save the file, then select yes. If you do not want to save the file, select no. Okay, simply. Suppose you want to return to your presentation without saving it, then close cancel, choose cancel. Okay, so all the three options will be present there: yes, no, and cancel. So what is use? If you want to save it, then we have to choose yes. And what about no? If you don't want to save it, then we have to choose no. And if you want to return on our presentation, then we have to choose the cancel option. Okay, is it clear to you? Okay, now moving towards our next topic, how to open an existing presentation. Okay, existing means that already we have worked upon which, okay, then again we have to open it. Now, simple steps, 3 4 steps are there. Okay, so first of all, click the office button. Then second, click the open option to open dialog box appears. Okay, then select the file to be opened. We have given different names now. At the time of saving, or when we are saving our file, it was asked to give the name. Okay, so we have to select that file and click the open. Simply it will be open. Okay, then how to close? Our last topic is to how to close PowerPoint. Okay, so very simple steps, only 2 steps are there. Click the office button here. Okay, and finally click exit PowerPoint. Simple. Okay, so that was all your 5th chapter, basics of MS PowerPoint 2007. So what is your homework, dear students? Your homework is to read the chapter once again and revise it. In our next video, we are going to do our exercise as well as our question answers. Okay, you should try to solve the exercise. Okay, till then take care and revise the chapter.